Imagine a weapon that can turn a drone into scrap metal with a burst of light. No more thunderous booms or million-dollar missiles, just a silent beam and a puff of vapor. Sounds like something straight out of Star Wars, right? Well, that future is inching closer to reality with the development of laser weapon systems. But are they the invincible defense systems splashed across headlines, or is the reality a little less pew-pew and a lot more engineering headache? Let us dissect the hype surrounding laser weapons and explore the true potential and limitations of this futuristic technology. The UK's Dragonfire laser weapon system is a prime example of the current state of laser technology. This marvel of modern engineering promises to neutralize aerial threats with concentrated beams of light. Boasting an accuracy that can supposedly hit a coin from a kilometer away, Dragonfire sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi flick. But here's the catch, it's not quite ready for its Hollywood close-up. The effectiveness of a laser weapon is directly linked to its power output. The US Navy's Helios system, with a 150 kilowatt output, took a whopping 15 seconds of sustained fire to take down a small drone. Imagine doing the same with 50 kilowatt output Dragonfire. Imagine the kind of power needed to neutralize a ballistic missile. Estimates suggest you would need a megawatt-class laser, think 1,000 kilowatts, to effectively counter such threats. Additionally, unlike traditional missiles, lasers require a clear line of sight to engage targets. Fog, dust storms, or even a rogue bird can disrupt the laser beam, rendering it useless. However, Dragonfire's limitations don't negate the potential of laser weapons altogether. Countries around the world are racing to develop similar technology. From the US Helios to India's Project Durga, the race for laser weapons is heating up, promising to redefine the balance of power on the global stage. India's Project Durga, almost at its final stages of development, unlike the 50 kilowatt Dragonfire, is expected to be a 100 kilowatt class system. This seemingly minor difference in power translates to a significant leap in capability. According to a 2021 assessment by the Congressional Research Service, a laser needs at least 100 kilowatts of power to effectively destroy an incoming rocket or mortar. This puts Project Durga in the ballpark of taking down simple ballistic threats, a feat beyond Dragonfire's current capacity. But hold on to your spacesuits, laser enthusiasts. Even a 100 kilowatt system has limitations. One major hurdle is atmospheric interference. A laser beam weakens as it travels through the air, thanks to pesky phenomena like atmospheric scattering and thermal blooming. Essentially, dust particles scatter the beam, reducing its power, while the heat generated by the beam itself can distort the air, further diminishing accuracy. This is particularly concerning when considering that ballistic and hypersonic missiles travel at speeds exceeding a mile per second. In such scenarios, a laser weapon would have a minuscule window of opportunity to destroy the incoming threat, a fraction of a second that might not be enough for a reliable countermeasure. So, where does this leave us? Here's where things get interesting: cost-effectiveness. Unlike missiles that cost millions, a single blast from Dragonfire is estimated to be a steal at under 10 pounds. Laser weapons are unlikely to replace traditional missile defense systems entirely, at least not in the foreseeable future. However, they can play a crucial role as a complementary technology. Imagine a scenario where a swarm of cheap drones attacks a military base. Firing expensive interceptor missiles to take out each drone would be a logistical and financial nightmare. Here is where a laser weapon like Project Durga or Dragonfire could shine. With its low cost per shot, it could efficiently zap down the entire swarm, leaving the high-dollar interceptors for more serious threats. The development of laser weaponry signifies a turning point in warfare. While they might not be the ultimate battlefield dominators depicted in science fiction, laser weapons like Project Durga offer a glimpse into a future where targeted energy beams become a vital part of a layered defense system. The coming decades will likely see advancements in power output, beam control, and atmospheric mitigation, paving the way for a future where lasers take their rightful place on the battlefield. So, if you enjoyed this exploration of laser weapons, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below.